Edge Envy Mousse. It's a lace melting mousse. It's a glueless install. And I'm going to start putting it on first, and then we're going to talk about all the benefits of it and how this could help with your lace wig install. So, your wig down. So today I'm going to just use the mousse so you guys can see what it looks like just with the mousse. And I'm only going to use, I'm going to do this forehead first, let this cure, and then I'll do the rest because I want to make sure this forehead is right. So I already have it placed down on where I would want it to go, right? So this is normally where I would place my wigs. So I'm only going to apply it for right here in this section. You can use it on your edge brush or you could do it straight. We're going to act like the speed high, but the temperature was low. Y'all see that? You see it? Now, I'm going to do this side, and then I'll do this side. Excited? I'm doing a dance. I'm doing a dance, y'all. I was wondering what it was, Jesse. Yes, it literally can melt the lace. So this is really good for touch-ups, right? If I was going out real quick and I really didn't want to do a full install, but I wanted to just make sure my wig feel a little bit more secure, this is what I'll do. So I'm going to do this side, right? And I'm going to attach the lace. And then I'm going to do this side. And then you guys will basically see the whole wig put on with the Edge Envy mousse. This side feels kind of wet still. Maybe I should do it without the joint on. Bam! Y'all see that? What? Excited? Y'all see it? Y'all see that hold? Do y'all see the hold? Okay. Come through, mousse, come through. Okay, you see it? It's nice and soft, and it's not hard. Let's be clear, it's not crunchy. This is not country, and it's not all the way dry yet. So, for it to look like this, and I'm not fully done, right? So I'm just doing this real quick for you guys, so you guys can see what it's like and how it could work. But like right here, my hair is still damp. Right here is still damp, but the hair itself is not crunchy. You know what I mean? So if you want soft baby hairs and things like that, you're able to achieve that with the mousse. But this is what the other side of the hairline looks like. But I gotta get rid of all these little hairs. So that's the goal, is to do the install with this not coming out. But you know, you want it nice and clean. But this is still natural because it's not like these made up baby hairs like you might see. But this is actually okay for me because I don't really do the whole baby hairs things. But this is enough baby hair where it's like, okay, I could do this. So if you guys don't have any other questions, I just wanted to show you guys real quick on the live what my hairline looks like with just melting it with the mousse. And this is not even styled yet. And I didn't use the elastic band. So you can see like how easy and seamless my melt is with the mousse. And how long we was doing this for, like, what, 10 minutes?